Hello and welcome to another video where we are going to talk about the crypto market and major digital assets. The Binance crypto exchange recently launched an artificial intelligence-based NFT creation tool, but was then accused of stealing the idea. Meanwhile, tech giant Meta announced it would dedicate resources to creating its own chatbot similar to ChatGPT. As for the crypto market, it has been through a rough time recently, with flagship cryptocurrency being mostly bearish over the past 7 days. In fact, Bitcoin showed their worst performance on Friday. In about an hour, the value of the coin dropped from $23,417 to $22,229. All in all, the premier cryptocurrency has lost even more for the reporting week. Descending from the 23,730 high recorded on March 2nd, Bitcoin traded in a narrow range all week, hovering between the 22,580 resistance and the 21,945 support. Yesterday morning, the coin entered a small correction, updated the swing low of 21,964 and recovered slightly to the 22,418 mark. Most altcoins have also shown a bearish dynamic over the past 7 days. Like Bitcoin, they plunged on the back of negative fundamental background. So why did Bitcoin tumble? It was reported on March 2nd that a group of US senators had asked Binance for information about their regulatory compliance and finances. It happened after crypto-focused lender SILVERGATE Bank had announced that it would not be able to file its annual report to the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Following the announcement, some crypto firms cut ties with the bank. SILVERGATE said it would also lay off 40% of staff and shut down its exchange payment network. It released a statement saying that the FTX meltdown and subsequent regulatory action raised concerns about the bank's ability to operate further. SILVERGATE's bankruptcy hints, along with growing regulatory pressure, literally dumbfounded the crypto market. Bitcoin has lost about 10% of the past 2 weeks and 4% of the past 30 days, according to CoinGecko. On the other hand, the relative stability of the crypto market at the beginning of this week continues to instill some optimism. The drop in the exchange rates of digital assets last Wednesday could have been the outcome of the actions of one seller and not a market panic. In general, Bitcoin's correlation with the US stock market increased after several weeks of a decline. On March 7th, testifying in the U.S. Congress, the Fed's chair Jerome Powell made hawkish remarks. The greenback instantly soared while stock indices and crypto went down. In fact, while Jerome Powell talked about raising interest rates to bring inflation to the 2% target, about $200 million worth of bitcoins were withdrawn from crypto exchanges. Moreover, investors are getting increasingly concerned about the uncertainties surrounding the crypto regulation. The legal status of digital assets is now being widely discussed. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, one of the world's most influential regulators, says that all cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin and securities are securities. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is not a security but a commodity. Such a turn of events will undoubtedly have the most serious consequences for the market. As a reminder, in December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple, claiming that the firm raised funds by selling XRP tokens in unregistered security offerings. This legal action is again gathering speed, with a court decision to come at any time now. If Ripple wins the case, we will see a massive price increase in stablecoins. In the meantime, the XRP token has been bullish this week. Between Monday and Wednesday, the XRP quotes tested 0.3980 high twice. Besides, Securities and Exchange Commission Chairman Gary Gensler recently hinted that Ethereum could be classified as a security. However, any specific regulations from the regulator have not come yet. Despite some mixed signals, Ether now shows a slightly better performance than Bitcoin. Last week, a key blockchain upgrade to give Ethereum crypto token holders access to their staked assets was launched, which is a major change for the network. Between March 2nd and 8th, Ether traded similarly to Bitcoin. It started its bear move from 1,670 high on March 2nd and descended to the 1,551 mark on March 8th. The 1,408 level may provide strong support for the pair. The bearish outlook will be cancelled if the quote recovers above the 1,660 resistance, targeting the psychological level of 2,000. All in all, a fall in Bitcoin is raising concerns. Nevertheless, it is not a critical situation. On the contrary, this price drop could be a nice opportunity for investors to enter the crypto market and start accumulating Bitcoins to trade in the future. Anyway, digital assets clearly have potential. Therefore, stay tuned, and InstaForex will keep you up to date with the latest news from the crypto industry. See you in our next video.